46 minutes past the top of the hour, time for us to switch to the world of business. Kenya is facing voltage drops and grid disruptions as electricity demand reaches a record high of 2,316 megawatts as of February 2025, against of 2,320 megawatts. Kenya Power Managing Director Joseph Siror is urging the immediate lifting of the moratorium on electricity generation. That increasing generation capacity is crucial to restoring the standard 15% reserve margin, which would cushion the grid against potential power disruption. Here is that report.
Installed electricity capacity stands at 3,191 megawatts, with an effective capacity of 3,030 megawatts. However, the current available capacity is 2,030 megawatts, just slightly above the new electricity peak demand of 2,316 megawatts. This marks a 12 megawatts increase from the previous 304 megawatts recorded in mid last month. The narrow margin between peak demand and available capacity has lifted the 3-year moratorium on boarding new electricity generation projects.
Plus, it should have been lifted like yesterday. I think you already see the razor thin margin that we have between our installed capacity and the latest peak.
The utility firm notes that the peak demand has surged by 200 megawatts over the last 2 years, with an average monthly increase of 14.5 megawatts in the last 8 months. Kenya Power Managing Director Joseph Siror highlighted 2024 alone, the country recorded 7 new peak demands levels, triggering nationwide blackouts despite grid stabilization and connectivity projects. To enhance grid stability, Kenya Electricity Transmission Company KETRACO has been investing in critical infrastructure, including the completion of the and the 33 kV double circuit interconnector between Narok and Bomet. Additionally, over 198,535 new customers have been connected to the national grid in the past 6 months. With the rollout of Last Mile Phase 4 and 5, an additional 221 customers are expected to gain access to electricity, further increasing demand on the grid. Wairi Mujenga for Prime Edition.